Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and today I have a super special apartment to show you. This is a one-bedroom apartment. What is unique about this apartment? It's brand new, but it's actually accessed through the parking garage. So it's kind of like a studio separate from everyone else. And if someone is wanting to come to, this is in Envigado, come to Envigado and not have any noise, this is the perfect apartment. So I know a lot of people are always concerned about noise, but because of the situation of this apartment, the way it is just off the parking garage, there's no other units down here. So it's super, super quiet. So I'll put all the details in the end screen as always, but this is a beautiful, it's not a studio, it's a one bedroom. We'll wander over there in a sec. But a really nice unit. Again, it's brand new in Envigado. It's about a 10-minute drive to Viva Envigado. It's up from Viva Envigado, just so you guys know for context. And Viva Envigado is one of the biggest malls here in Colombia, in the city here of Envigado, okay? But what I love about this apartment, again, as I said, super, super quiet. You can hear the rain. It's raining like crazy today, but that's all you can hear here. So if you're coming to Medellín or Envigado and you're looking for a safe, quiet place, and this place has a really beautiful entertainment deck at the top. It has a pool, it has a big gym, it has a co-working area and a family recreation area. So, and the gym is really well outfitted. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. We will call this the one bedroom in Envigado. Okay. Right here where I'm standing, or where I was standing, you've got your laundry room right here. Okay. And then you've got dishwasher. You have a gas stove. You still have to put in your fridge, but they've actually even put in here, as you can see, okay, the stove. So, sorry, the oven. There you've got your gas stove. Okay, and here is your social bathroom. You have 2 bathrooms in this apartment. Okay, let's make our way over to the one bedroom in the apartment. And just off the bedroom here, okay, over just to the right there, that entrance is to the closet. Okay, but what I love about this, really good light. Beautiful, beautiful light. Okay, so you've got your closet space right here. Okay, and again, you can shut this off if you want, but you've got really nice closet space. And then right over here, you've got a his and hers sink. Okay, and then you've got a really nice rain shower. Or if you just open up the window, you can have a natural shower. So, as you can see, very nice rain shower. Really big shower space. Okay, and again, his and hers sinks. But again, the feature for me of this apartment is the fact that because it comes off your parking is just outside of the apartment, so it's kind of cool that way. But what I love about it is it's quiet. And again, you're not having to deal with any neighbors here. It's the only apartment here just off of the parking garage. And again, look at the views. Okay, beautiful Envigado views. But yeah, if you're coming to Medellín or Envigado and you want quiet, this is the place. So if you have any questions or comments, as always, put them in the comment section. And I will put a link to all the, I'll put all the description of the apartment in the description area of the video, as always, but at the end screen, I always put the price. So if you have any questions, you can get back to me about the 1-bedroom apartment in Envigado. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next one.